Hello everyone. This will be our 7th video on how to integrate for sales directors multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hello again. After seeing how the sales funnel agent can help us detect new opportunities, I realized that we should also be taking better care of the customers we already have. Sometimes we focus so much on attracting that we forget to build loyalty and profitability with those who already trust us. Sometimes we focus so much on attracting that we forget to build loyalty and monetize those who already trust us. Does this agent we are going to talk about today cover that?
Absolutely. In fact, the RFM analysis agent and average ticket is designed specifically for that. To help you get the most value out of your current customers, identifying who are the most valuable, which ones are inactive, which ones have potential to grow, and what specific strategy to apply with each one. It's like having a compass to manage your customer base in a much smarter way.
Okay, let's go step by step. What is this RFM? I've heard of the term, but I don't know how exactly to apply it in our case.
RFM stands for recency, frequency, and monetary value. Recency. How long has it been since the last purchase or interaction with your company? Frequency. How many times has she bought or hired your services? Monetary value. How much has she spent in total over time? This model allows you to classify customers based on their actual behavior with concrete data and not just on feelings or intuitions. And it is one of the most effective and proven techniques to segment customers in a strategic and actionable way.
And can this be applied to our maintenance and service contracts?
Of course. What's more, it is ideal for such contracts. For example, a customer who renewed recently, who has contracted 3 services in the last 12 months, and who leaves a good margin, will be considered a gold customer. This customer must be cared for, build loyalty, and try to expand its value with additional proposals. Another customer who contracted 2 years ago, only once, and with low volume, would be a cold customer or at risk of abandonment. This is where we need to act quickly if we want to win them back. The agent analyzes this data automatically, cross-checks behavior, and creates customer segments with specific recommendations for each one, allowing agile and personalized decisions to be made.
Okay, that sounds useful. What about the average purchase ticket?
The average purchase ticket is the average amount that each customer leaves you per transaction or per contract. It is a key metric for understanding how much value you are generating per customer and whether that value is increasing, stagnating, or even falling. The broker combines this metric with the RFM analysis to give you a very clear and accurate picture of how much each customer is really worth, how much potential you are not tapping into, and where you might be losing profitability without realizing it.
What does this mean on a practical level? What kind of decisions does it allow me to make on a day-to-day basis?
Many and very relevant. Here are some concrete examples. Detect customers at risk of abandonment to activate personalized reactivation campaigns. Identify VIP customers and reward them with exclusive packages, premium services, or special conditions to encourage loyalty. Detect segments with a low average ticket but high potential, which allows you to design meaningful upselling or cross-selling strategies. Make strategic decisions about which customers to prioritize when your resources are limited, and you need to focus on where there is more return. And you can adjust your commercial actions month by month according to the evolution of these indicators.
This will allow us to work much more focused. Many times we treat all clients the same, and it doesn't make sense. Some require more attention than others.
Exactly. Not all customers have the same value, nor the same behavior. This agent allows you to customize your commercial strategy in an automated way, without the need to invest hours and hours in manual analysis or subjective classifications. Everything starts with the data.
And how does this show up in the system? Does it show up in graphs, reports, alerts?
Yes, all very visual and intuitive. Segmentations by color or level, gold, silver, bronze, inactive, at risk, allowing you to see at a glance the health of your customer base. Evolution of the average ticket per customer or per segment, Ideal for detecting positive trends or worrying drops. Automatic alerts when an active customer stops contracting, drops in frequency, or shows signs of abandonment. Action recommendations that can be activated directly from the dashboard. Send reactivation campaign, offer service upgrade, contact with specific proposal, among others.
And if I opt for a hybrid model between AI and humans, who makes those decisions in the end?
You have 3 possibilities, depending on the approach you want to take. 1. The agent delivers the recommendations, and a member of your team executes them directly. 2. Have someone in-house monitor the data and make more strategic decisions based on it, combining intuition and analysis. 3. Have an external B2B sales or loyalty expert analyze these segments and propose new actions, campaigns, or changes that may not be seen as clearly from the inside. Each approach has advantages. The important thing is that the system is flexible and adapts to the type of management you want to carry out.
Good, because if this is connected with the budgeting or financial agents, we could have a much more powerful and profitable loyalty strategy.
That's right. I see that you are already realizing the potential of agent intercommunication. That's the idea of the multi-agent system, that everything is connected, working as an intelligent ecosystem. This agent detects the most profitable or high-potential customers, and the other agents are activated accordingly. For example, the quotation agent can automatically generate a new offer tailored to that customer, while the finance agent evaluates the impact of that action on overall profitability.
Perfect. With this, we will not only sell more, but we will also get more out of what we already have, which is sometimes the most profitable and the least profitable.
And now that we have seen how to detect value inside and outside the company, in the next video, we are going to see the brain that coordinates it all, the strategic coordinating agent, which connects all the agents, crosses data, automates flows, and gives you a complete vision to make intelligent decisions in real time without losing control.
This agent seems to me to be the most interesting of all, since he must be the one in charge of managing and communicating with the rest of the agents. If I want to contact someone to clarify a more specific question, who can I contact?
You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacharada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help improve sales managers' functions.